Yeah, but I won.
Oh my gosh, I think drinking milk does make you poop.
Make sure you wipe off my iPhone.
Oh my god. That was hilarious. Thank gosh you got that on video.
We got that Me and Jazzy tied because we were like both.
But I had more than you guys.
I know, but I
got snot in the ear.
seconds before you.
I got snot in it.
That's gross.
First place winner.
Yeah, but I had more than them, and she drank milk, so.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Just wipe up your mess. Don't worry, I'll make messes all